Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Goa International Film Competition, a celebration of the magic and artistry of cinema. And it's an absolute pleasure to be your host for this incredible cinematic journey. Before we dive into the world of film, let's take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the incredible sponsors, organizers, and volunteers who have worked tirelessly to make this festival a reality. Their passion for cinema has truly brought us all together today. Get ready to immerse yourselves in a diverse array of films that span different genres and styles. From compelling documentaries to heartwarming narratives, this festival promises an unforgettable experience for every film enthusiast. And today we announce the remaining awards for music video, feature film, and documentary category. So let's start the announcement for music video awards. And the next award goes to the best lyrics. And the winner is Vava Vuranganai, Anish Nair. And the next award goes to the best choreographer. And the winner is Barbie Bomma, Tony, Darshan, Dhanusha. And the next award goes to the best performance. And the winner is Navas Mandala, Suhrud Vardekar. And the next award goes to the best music. And the winner is Pal Neela Thirakkai Kalil, Anish Nair and Santosh Balasubramanian. And now we announce our long duration category awards. It means feature film awards, and the next award goes to the best director. And the winner is Ishq Pashmina, Arvind Pandey. The next award goes to the best screenplay, and the winner is Agraharam Lo Ambedkar, Krishna Chaitanya Mantha. The next award goes to the best cinematographer, and the winner is Dal Roti, Bread and Butter, Mohit Saini. The next award goes to the best child actor, and the winner is BMW, GM Gautam. The next award goes to the best original score, and the winner is Sachi Perumal, Mastan. The next award goes to the best feature film on social issues, and the winner is Patang, Dr. Madhav Chandra Parida. The next award goes to the best actor, and the winner is Ishq Pashmina, Bhavin Bhanushali. The next award goes to the best actress, and the winner is Mayamma, Ankita Vinod. The next award goes to the best supporting actress, and the winner is BMW, V.N. Manimegalai. And the next award goes to the best narrative feature, and the winner is Nidhi, Justice, Dr. Jessie Kuthanur. And the next award goes to the best independent film, and the winner is Mr. White, Raghavendran. And the next award goes to the best suspense thriller feature, and the winner is Trikalam, Stanley Joyson. And the next award goes to the best social drama, and the winner is Chal Hala Bol, Mahesh Bhimrao Bansode. And the next award goes to the best makeup, and the winner is Murugjal, Daina Patonda. And the next award goes to the best writer, and the winner is Sarkaru Nukari, Shekhar Ganganamoni. And the next award goes to the best sound design, and the winner is Flowering Bamboos, Kiran S. Viswa. And the next award goes to the best regional language film, and the winner is Ye Rodia, The Untold Apathy, Sachin Dhar. And the next award goes to the best animated feature film, and the winner is Kundan Satti, Aghasti PK. And the next award goes to the best debut director, and the winner is Dal Roti, Bread and Butter, Julie Jasmine. And the next award goes to the best film, Critics' Choice, and the winner is Sarkaru Nukari, Shekhar Ganganamani. And the next award goes to the best inspirational feature film, and the winner is Abha Palab Roy. And the next award goes to the best emerging director, and the winner is The 100, Raghav Omkar Sasidar. Hello everyone, thank you again for being the part of Goa International Film Competition, GIFC 2024 4th season. And now move to the announcement for documentary awards, and the first award goes to the best director, Balindudi Kaushik, for their documentary, Ramnami, In Search of Lord Ram. And the next award goes to the best feature length documentary, Shailesh Acharekar, for their documentary Janta Darbar. And the next award goes to the best ethnographic documentary, Deepanshi Garg, for their documentary Pushp. And the next award goes to the best inspirational documentary, Dr. Rajesh Deshmukh, for their documentary Making of an ISRO Scientist. And the next award goes to the best educational documentary, Aluvala Saiteja Gupta, for their documentary Ekal. And the next award goes to the best wildlife documentary, Pushpraj Mandavgade, for their documentary Tambat, Story of Coppersmith Barbet Bird. And the next award goes to the best cultural documentary, Rajan Karimula, for their documentary Shivam. And the next award goes to the best historical documentary, Kaushik Ghosh, for their documentary Abhinaswar. And the next award goes to the best mystery, thriller short documentary, Chandrakant Bangari, for their documentary The Old House. And the next award goes to the best environmental documentary, Vemuganti, for their documentary Marri Chettu, Banyan Tree. And the next award goes to the best biographical documentary, Jayesh KK, for their documentary Varaya Dayalangal, Signs of Art. And now, congratulations again to all our winners and participants. Thank you all for joining us tonight. Our team will contact soon to the winners for their momentous courier, and have a wonderful evening. Good night.